the best day of my entire life. It was like magic. And, magicians are a dying breed. Like, what is going to happen to the people who make their costumes in the boxes with the lady, and what happens if there aren't enough magicians? It began the way that most days do. Waking up with the sun, feeling restful, but with a niggling sense of acute fear and dread. But things were about to change. I had recently become the proud owner of a second-hand Sebo Automatic X Series, the most technically advanced upright vacuum cleaner in the entire world. The Rolls-Royce of hoovers, the final word in domestic suction technology. It's German. I bought it from a man from Gumtree. He was a nice older man called Kevin, who probably looked a bit old to be my dad unless he was some high roller with a younger girlfriend, and to be fair, he did drive a Prius, so maybe he was. I told him I'd be getting the bus to pick it up, so he came and dropped it off, and he still only got me to give him a 20 for it, which for the amount of features it has is unbelievably good value. It has automatic powerhead height adjustment, brush roller obstruction auto shut-off, brush roller warn warnings, stationary use warnings, and a clog warning auto shut-off. When I first used it, I thought I might have an orgasm. Although I didn't.
Love is a man.
Such unbeatable levels of suction. I was a small town girl living in a low suction world, and it has been entirely turned upside down. It even has a smaller hose for getting into all the small nooks and crannies, as well as multiple different attachment heads. Once I had used that hoover, I knew me and him would be in it for the long run. We were partners now. I'd take him everywhere with me. If I moved house, moved city, went on holiday, I knew we'd be together. Me, my hoover, and the open road. A life of endless possibilities, endless destinations, but most importantly, spotlessly clean carpets.
To the ground park.
Always do tomorrow, please.
I love him. I love him.